Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, giveaways, spoilers. I have an unboxing and a giveaway for you guys today. This is the April Macy's Beauty Box. I want to welcome anybody who is new here, and for all my returnees, you know that I love you and I love spoiling you guys. So I do giveaways all the time for my subscribers. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of April. It is the Queen palette by Juvia's and Fumi. I'll put a link for that in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways. Some of them are ending really quick. Under where it says current giveaways, those are all the ones that are live right now. But like I said, a bunch of those are about ready to end. So if you haven't jumped on those, make sure that you do so. As far as what I have on my eyes today, it is the Juvia's Wahala 2 palette. And it's mainly this row right here. Look at this multi-chrome. You know I love multi-chromes here. Pink, gold, green, stunning. Love it. So the Macy's Beauty Box is $15 a month. It's mainly deluxe size samples. There's usually either a bag or a tool, some sort. There's usually some sort of fragrance. And there always is either a $5 or $10 off coupon that you can use at the Macy's Beauty counter, either in person in the store or online. And I did, because you know I love doing spoiler videos here for you guys. And I did one for this bag, and I know that there were two different black eyeliners. Why throw two different eyeliners? I don't know. But I know that that was in there, and I'm thinking there may have been a Peter Thomas Roth one. I'm not sure. Let's open her up. It's completely sealed. So one of these items we will be giving away to one of you. Just watch the video in its entirety and be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. And the box from Macy's is like the hardest one to ever get into. It's kind of different. They're usually all wrapped in like a pink tissue paper. This time I think all of the items are in this cute makeup bag. So it says it is a $57 value. There is a $5 off coupon. It's that time again when star-studded award shows serve up looks that inspire us. So this month's box is packed with goodies to bring Hollywood glam home. I do like that they're starting to put makeup back in, because they used to put it in all the time, and for whatever reason, they haven't been lately, and it's all been skincare. And unless you know a product is really going to work for you and you've used it before, you are not going to know this product works. You're not going to know anything with the little deluxe size samples that they send, because you really need to use a skincare product 28 to 60 days to know if it's going to make a difference for you. So let's find out what's in the bag. So they are wrapped in pink tissue paper inside here. And here's what the bag itself looks like. Here's the products. The first product is YSL. It is the Touche Eclat Blur Primer. As obsessed as we are with blurring primers, this one is the cream de la creme, with 4 nourishing oils to smooth skin, boost radiance, and deliver the pre-makeup dewy glow without greasy residue. Full size does retail for $50. And how to use apply after moisturizer to prep for foundation. Here's what she looks like. And it's kind of this little spatula here. And I'm just going to kind of rub that in. I'm just going to rub that in. It's right here. It's not tacky or anything. That's really, really nice, you guys. I can see a little blurring effect on my poor hands. I call them my grandma hands. But this is where the primer is, kind of like right in here. So you got there, and then you got my grandma hands over on that side. So really, really cool. Starting off strong. The next one is from Bodyography. It is a tapered blending brush. Behind every smoky eye or sparkly glam look, there's a great brush, and this one is full size and ready to work wonders. Retails for $8. Pro tip, dampen brush with water or setting spray first to make the look last. Then add eyeshadow and blend to achieve your desired look. So pretty cool brush. And here we're getting into one of our two eyeliners. This is Natasha Moore Kohl It Magic Eyeliner. Best supporting tool in a dramatically eye look goes to eyeliner. And this glam full-size matte pencil makes it easy to create the look you want, gliding perfectly across the eyelids without pulling. It does retail for $24, and this is full-size. Pro tip, pen along the waterline on your upper eyelids to make the lash line appear more thick and full. I have such hooded eyelashes, I can't use an eyeliner on the upper waterline, or that's all you're going to see is the eyeliner. And she looks like this. It is a wooden pencil. The other eyeliner is from Clinique. You know I'm a Clinique girl. I have used this eyeliner a lot. It is a quick liner for eyes in Intense Ebony. The intensity of the liquid liner, the precision of a pencil, and a built-in smudger. This little numbers here for the drama does retail for $20. I love that. So far, you guys, we have 3 full-size items in our $15 bag. So that part's really cool. Pro tip, blend with a smudger to use as a shadow primer after it sets. Here's what she looks like. I love these. So I'll tell you a little story about these in just a second. This is the makeup eraser, the original makeup eraser. The last step in every glam routine is taking it off every night, no matter how tired you are. This gem is chemical-free, super soft, and washable, which means less waste with the disposable ones. Full size of this does retail for $20. I'm assuming it's a little mini. I'll open it up here in a second. How to use, just add water and wipe off makeup. It literally is that easy. And how I will, so I'll do it like that a little bit. Yeah, it's just a little mini, so this is perfect for what I use them for. I will use these reusable ones because they are reusable, and I have a kind of the Clinique Take the Day Off for eyes, lip, and lids, and I will go in and just dab a little bit in, work it around the eye, and that's how I take my makeup. And you can also use the other side for, you know, dip it in your toner and go like this. That way you are using reusable ones. So love, love, love this. Can't get enough of these. And we have 2 fragrance samples. So they are both by Jimmy Choo. We have a women's and a men's fragrance. Let's just do a little sniffy of the men's fragrance, see if we like it. So really quick, it is Meet Jimmy Choo's OG scent for men, a fresh blend of lavender, honeydew, melon, pink pepper, and suede. This modern eau de toilette will give him those effortless, cool Hollywood vibes. Full size does retail for $92. And if they smell good, I keep these in a little box in my closet, and then come Christmas, I have a 19-year-old son, and so I'll put these in his stockings and in my husband's stockings come Christmas. Ooh, I like that. This smells like something my man would wear. Love it. So he's definitely getting that in his stocking. And the female one is the Jimmy Choo New I Want Choo. Bright notes of velvety peach and jasmine are rounded out with the warm vanilla and the new Flora et de Parfum. Full size is $118. Pro tip, in addition to the regular pulse points, neck and wrist, spritz behind the knees, so the scent wafts up throughout the day. And let's do this one this way. I love it. It is so kind of like a refreshing scent. I really, really like these. So I don't mind getting perfume samples, especially ones that I like. I have a little container, and I got like at the dollar store, it's a little decorative glass thing, and I'll put my little samples in there, and then whenever, hopefully soon, sometime maybe, whenever we have guests over, they can sample it. But I might be keeping this one in my bathroom because I really, really like the scent of this. So I thought it was pretty good. I don't understand, I mean, come on, you got YSL in here. I don't understand the two same products. If that makes sense to you guys, let me know. Secret word, gold. And the gold is because when this goes up, I think if it goes up the day I think it is, my son will be competing in the cross-country nationals meet, and his school colors are purple and gold, and so I'm all geeked out about that right now. Anyway, what should we do? So let's do the Natasha Moore Colette Magic Eyeliner. I love spoiling you guys, giving you guys a full-size product here. You know, for the full sizes, it's the most expensive one, so I don't skimp out on you guys. Love, love spoiling you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed. And then also put on it that secret word. Do not put that secret word in the comment section down below, and do not fill out that Google form link more than once. Both of those will get you disqualified from this giveaway. You can get extra bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your guys' help. And I especially need help on those watch time minutes so I can get this monetized, so I can do more fun stuff for you guys, because I have something that I really, really want to do, but I got to get this monetized first. So I have seen the numbers go up, and thank you so much for helping me out so far with that. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damage, anything extra for it to get to you. I try and package everything up really nice for you guys. And we'll do a kind of a spin the wheel where we do all the giveaways that are ending that month all on the same day. You can see the wheel go around. all put in there if you do have those bonus entries. And let's have this giveaway go through May 7th. PM Mountain Standard Time, midnight. And then sometime that week, I don't know when yet, because I am picking up my son from college that week, and I don't know when his final exams are yet. Anyway, sometime that week, we will do that spin the wheel video where we announce all of our giveaway winners that are ending at that time. If you have not subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. Everybody's really supportive of one another, no drama. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button and mark it to all. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those so that way you can receive notifications from YouTube. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I spoil you and do giveaways. Some are ending very, very quickly, so make sure to look in the where it says current section down below and make sure that you've entered those. Like I said, their giveaway is really easy. Just be subscribed and watch the videos in their entirety. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple of their videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you watching them. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway.